What's up, guys? It's your boy JQ, and today I'm gonna teach you guys how to play I Hate Love by Claude Kelly. If you didn't already know before this, if you haven't been following me before, I did a cover of this song, so it should be in that link right above, or I'll even put it at the end of the song as well. The intro, I kind of made that up. Like, I listened to the original song and then I kind of just made something up that sounded kind of like it, but something I could also play on the guitar since I don't have a piano. So yeah, it goes like this. I hope the camera got that, because I would suck if it didn't. So for me, I started off on the 6th fret, but depending on what octave you're going to do it in, you're going to want to switch that up, but it should be generally the same finger placements, but we'll go more into that later on the octaves. So I started on the 6th fret, so 6th fret on the, wow, I can't believe the A string. Wow. So I started off on the 6th fret on the A string, and then I did a hammer on onto the 10th fret. Oh well, wow. Technically that's a 9. Oh. So you're gonna start off at the 6th fret on the A string, you're gonna hammer on to the 9th on that same string. And then you're going to do a slide on the G string from the 6th to the 8th and then back to the 6th. Yeah, and then you're going to go back up to the 9th on the A string, and then you're going to go to the 6th fret on the D string. So and you're going to do that twice. Then you're going to do a hammer on and pull off onto the 8th. Back to the 9th, and then back to the beginning. And then when you do that last slide and going back, I would suggest to use your middle fingers, so when you go back up to the 9th, then it's easier to use your ring finger when you're going back up. Yeah, that's pretty much how the intro goes. So for the verses and all that stuff, like, this is where the octaves come into play. Because depending on your vocal range, or whatever you feel comfortable with, you might be... So let's say you have a higher voice than me, you're probably going to want to put the octave higher up. And if you have a deeper voice, you're probably going to want to go lower, whatever you feel more comfortable doing. So for the chords, I played E flat minor. Then I went to B, F sharp, and then that would be C sharp. So I started off with just a little things like that. So basically I just hit the bass note and then the last 3 strings on the bottom. Then when I went up, I just moved it up one, so it would be the 3rd, 4th, and 5th strings. Then when I went back down, so basically, oh my god, this is so hard to explain. That's the thing about bar chords too, it's so easy to change the octave because you can just use the same shape you were using for the bar chord. Just move it up and down accordingly to basically where you feel most comfortable. And you also don't have to do the same like plucking thing that I was doing. You can easily do it with strumming too. Or just did that because I wanted to start off with something pretty soft for the verses. So you're gonna go through the verses like that. And then when you're about to end the verses, or I guess every time you're wrapping up like the verse or the chorus, it always ends off skipping. You're gonna skip that F sharp. So you're gonna go. And then you're gonna transition into the next part of the song. But it's gonna be the same chords throughout the verse and the chorus. The bridge, this is where you switch it up a little bit. You're gonna start from the B. And you're gonna go into that E flat minor, and then you're gonna go to the C. No, C sharp. C sharp. It's gonna go like this. So yeah, on that one, when you're finishing up the bridge too, you're just gonna skip the E flat minor on the last go around, and you're just gonna go. Straight from the B to the C sharp. Yeah, that's pretty much it. Besides, I guess, so if you're gonna start off quiet for the verses in the beginning, for the second verse, I switched it up a little bit and I did like a palm mute strum, kind of. Just to switch it up a little bit. And then for the chorus, I just went full on. Because the chorus is supposed to be louder than the rest of the song. So yeah, I think that's pretty much it. I hope I explained it pretty well, but yeah, if I didn't, then I guess let me know down in the comments, so the next time someone asks me to do a little tutorial about a song, I can do better next time. Alright, well, thanks for watching, and we'll see you guys later. Yeah.